Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef dum biryani. First, prepare your beef by cutting about 1.5 kilograms into 2-inch pieces. Next, combine the beef with a cup of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and a blend of biryani spices. Ensure everything is well mixed. Marinate the beef for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally, let it sit overnight in the refrigerator for maximum flavor. While the beef marinates, let's prepare the other components. Soak 3 cups of basmati rice for 30 minutes, then drain. Next, thinly slice 3 large onions and fry them in oil until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Set these aside. Now, parboil the soaked rice with some whole spices like bay leaves and cardamom until it's about 70% cooked. Then drain it. Now for the assembly. In a heavy bottom pot, spread the marinated beef evenly at the base. This forms your first flavorful layer. Next, carefully add half of the parboiled rice over the beef. Sprinkle a generous amount of the crispy fried onions, fresh mint, and cilantro. Drizzle with a few tablespoons of saffron-infused milk. Repeat these layers, finishing with rice and more garnishes. The final step is the dum cooking process, which locks in all the flavors. Seal the pot tightly with a lid, using dough or aluminum foil to create an airtight seal. Cook on a very low flame for 45 to 60 minutes. Once cooked, turn off the heat and let the biryani rest for about 15 minutes before opening. Gently mix from the bottom up and serve your delicious beef dum biryani hot with raita.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.